Benito is a master cider maker who's dedicated the last 15 years to building a traditional Basque cider house. He's passionate about his craft and produces around 8,000 litres of cider a year. The apples grow locally on trees native to the Basque country, and it's quite simply the best cider you're ever going to taste.